Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Ed, freelance producer and motion graphic designer. You have a product, service, or idea that you are trying to sell. Trouble is, while you may want your product, service, or idea to be the size of King Kong, currently it's more like a little monkey. So, how do you make it grow? Simple. Video. Creating a web or online video for your product, service, or idea not only creates a more captivating way to present what you're offering, it allows you to grow that special something you have quickly by sharing your video on the web, through your website, on social media, really anywhere you can imagine, as long as your prospect has a PC, a tablet, or a mobile device. And this type of reach and exposure will, in turn, increase your rankings on Google and other search engines, which means even more customers. In fact, companies that utilize online video for their offerings have shown proven increases in their business of 100%, 200%, and even 300%. But back to our monkey. No, not that monkey. That's the guy. Now, when I say video, you automatically think budget. Ideally, it would be great to have a budget the size of this guy, but in actuality, you probably have one that's more like this. Here is where I come in. I can give you this type of video quality, even if your budget looks more like this. What do? In one breath, 2D cartoons, Epiphio style, infographic, silhouette style, animated hand, self-explanatory, iconography style, iconic, blue screen videos, direct response commercials and infomercials, product and corporate videos. Whew, that's a lot. It would be easier if you checked out my portfolio on my website. And best of all, I have worked on projects for both small and large corporate clients, as well as advertising agencies and production companies. But unlike when you go with a large studio, I work for myself, which means less overhead. So you don't pay for the whole pack of monkeys, just the head one. Oh, and when you deal with the head monkey, you don't have to worry about the other monkeys monkeying things up, because I'm going to create a customized solution just for you. So let's get started on taking your product, service, or idea and making a huge impact with online video.